Our beehives are made in this way, that this side, that's where we remove the honey from this side. Then the bees should be able to play from this side. We have the holes here, the two holes. The bees come out from here in the day. So we're going to put these cobs. These are honey cobs. The wax that we put here, and also we burn this side so that we get the smell or the flavor of the honey. So when a bee is entering the beehive, it only looks for the smell or the flavor of honey nearby. So right now we're going to put on the fire this one. Then this one will go on top. The cover of the beehive will go on top so that it gets that smell. We're talking about how can you attract bees in your local beehive. So this process will take about 5 minutes. The smoke should be able to enter the beehive completely, so that the smell is inside and deeply connected with the beehive. You can see how the smoke is getting out. If the video would give you the smell, you would just feel the scent of honeycombs. It is the wax now brings out the smell like this. You can check how it is getting burnt. Check here. It's all getting burnt and it's now soft. You can look at. So this one is done. This one too. Yeah, it's hot. But you have another one. And what we do is you smear this wax here. So, in a short time, within we expect like 3 weeks to be having the bees here. So right now, I put in the cover. You can see how it is made inside. So I put on the cover. Guys, this time we're going to take a beehive in the apiary so that we at least capture some bees within a month. We have already we call it smoking of smoked our beehive. Next is to go and take it in the garden or in the apiary. We expect the bees in 30 days to 2 weeks. Shall keep you posted. Right now, I've arrived in the apiary. You can see all these are beehives, and you can see that also we have planted flowers for our bees. Because when you have the flowers, we expect the bees to get the nectar from these beehives. I mean these flowers. So we expect that this nectar in here is transferred to the beehives, and we get enough honey.
Pot.
It's dangerous coming in here, but at least we can survive. Our bees are given water. We give them water. This is water for the bees because we know that bees need water for making honey. So if they go very far, they may come late and tired and they make you less honey. So the purpose of a beehive apiary or of bees apiary is that they are together, they eat from near, they feed from near, and then they make honey in large quantities. You can see this one is already coming out. We will place one here. When you want to set up an apiary, you ensure that you plant the trees or the plants that will grow. Like this one was planted because it grows again. We plant trees like gravelia, eucalyptus, so that when you plant it, it grows up and then the beehive is strongly held there. So right now, you can also imagine, the bees are all facing that side. I will take you around through the beehives and see how the bees are facing. So this one will also face automatically the same direction. Because when you're removing honey, they have to be facing the same side direction so that they don't sting you anyhow. So right now, this one is facing, I can call it on the left side. And the top, which is this one, should face the left side, and then the bottom should face that side. That depends on your garden. Ours, the way it is created, and we have to make them have a very nice flush direction for getting out. Let me arrange it properly, and then I also cover it. We try to use very, very local materials so that we don't complain about capital to start beekeeping. No, we use the very, very local materials around. These are already used polythene papers, but now we are trying to add value by putting them on our beehive. So there we put We always have dry grass, and this is a fern. These are fern trees, but we can use any other grass, eucalyptus leaves. Right now, you can see here it is now completely nicely put. The bees will be getting out from here. Then the honey will get out. The honey shall be removed from here. So we only remove this when it is time for harvesting. Then you remove like this, you put back after removing your honey. So now it's time to go. We are done with our beehive placing in the garden. Now we have over 10 beehives in this garden. That means a beehive gives you about 5 kilos per harvest. These are local ones. We don't put any money. We make them ourselves, put them in the garden ourselves. We don't hire the garden. So we have over 10. You can see this one is having bees here. This is the back of the beehive. So here, as I tell you, this is about 10. If you get 5 kilos from each beehive per season, times 10, those are 50 kilograms. A kilogram goes for 15,000 to 20,000. That means you having passive income. Or planted beans in here, you can see beans are germinating. These are sprouting out. It means we have also put what we call gooseberry. These are very good for beehives or for bees. So we ensure that we put a lot of things so that we don't have any problem. This is an apple. These apples help them to get shade, and the bees love something like a forest sort of. So this is apple, this is coffee. Here we have a coffee plant. Oh, we are careful, they want to sting us. So to be careful. They will sting us here. So this is coffee, this is apple, and these are beans. Intercropping and intergardening. That means with bees, you have really enough space in your garden because you do everything. So we don't throw away our cobs, we take them for re-smoking our beehives, so that we keep increasing our beehives. Our garden should be kept increasing. But this is a very dangerous area. Very dangerous. You can see the bees are coming out from here. This one is serious. Huh? Yeah, you can see that one. They are very serious. Anytime they sting you, because they are not just. We go. Let me go. The bees there. They are just dangerous. They sting me there. See all over. They are all over these bees. Wait, hey! Oh, dangerous wild bees. This is a very, very fresh apple. It's not yet ready, but me. See this one? Very soon to be ready. Fresh apple from our garden in the apiary. Do you ever think that you can have everything by your garden? Beans, coffee, apples. Next is plant pumpkins here. Would you surely come in this place? Would you? So tough bees. Would you come in the morning? But no, let's see. Oh my God, I expect a sting. Oh, they're tough. It's like I'm a barracks, eh? You can see the bees coming out from the beehive. Eh? Because I have to be very far, otherwise I don't have any protective gear. They would still sting me, eh? They would sting me really.